Hey guys, I'm Coach Yash from CFW. Starting this new series focusing on joint mobility and control. The idea is in this next series to kind of teach you guys how to move your joints and what the benefits can be from them. So, your brain has brain maps on how to actually move each part of your body. So, even how to conduct any kind of movement, whether it be like a complex movement in a sport, or it might be just as simple as bending the elbow and extending the elbow. So there's maps for everything. And a lot of times we don't actually have clear maps on how to move these joints. And so when we get moving, it creates a lot of compensations. Something else in the chain has to work a little harder or compensate because there's not a clear map or clear instruction of how to move that joint. So with the second thing, like I said, reducing injuries and pain. So when we start mapping out the joints a little bit better, our brain has a better prediction of how to move the area. With less mapping, less clear instructions, it's hard for the brain to be like, how do I actually move this joint? So the idea with this, it's like we're going to help reduce and prevent injuries by moving our joints in different directions, different speeds, different angles, all those things. And also, it's possible that you'll probably reducing pain too as well. It's not uncommon. I've seen a lot of people that I've worked with just getting basic joint mobility drills out. Pain is reduced, and we actually can move properly. Second in this, progressions, just really learning like, hey, I have to be able to move these joints properly in the first place before I go into more of a complex movement. So, and I'm going to show you guys kind of some progressions on what to think about. Basically, start with linear motions and then work your way up into more circular and complex motions going forward. And then finally, the best thing is results. Honestly, at the end of the day, you can spend a lot of time stretching and doing all that stuff too. And I think there's a time and place for it. But again, everyone is different. Everyone's nervous system is different. And you got to recognize that there's not one key stretch or one key mobility drill that's going to fix everything. It's about finding what works for you. So whenever you're doing these drills, always do a before and after assessment and see what works the best for you. So very excited to start this. Hopefully, again, you guys started with this video and then you could follow those joint mobility drills, use this as a reference going forward. And if you have any questions, always just drop them in the comments or reach out. Have a good one, guys.